Hey everyone, if AnyDesk keyboard is not working, keys are not responding, or you can't type on the remote device, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore keyboard control in AnyDesk. First, disconnect and reconnect the AnyDesk session. Temporary connection glitches can block keyboard input. Make sure keyboard control is allowed in the session permissions. If control is disabled, you won't be able to type on the remote device. Make sure the remote computer is not frozen or overloaded. I mean, if the system is lagging, keyboard input may not respond. Try restarting AnyDesk on both devices and also restart your computer or phone. So this clears temporary input and connection issues. Make sure your local keyboard is working properly. Test it in Notepad or another app. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Network routing issues can sometimes block input signals. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through your firewall. Blocked permissions can stop keyboard data from transmitting. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often fix input and control bugs. Try switching input mode or toggling control permissions off and on again, so this can refresh keyboard input handling. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. A fresh installation can fix corrupted input components. If you're still having issues, contact AnyDesk support. They may be able to identify deeper system or compatibility problems. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk keyboard not working problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.